Dear students, good morning to all. Today we are going to see about the basics of automobile engineering. First thing, introduction about the automobile engineering. Then, what is an automobile? Automobile, a vehicle producing power within itself for its propulsion, is known as a self-propelled vehicle. For example, for a self-propelled vehicles, moped, scooters, motorcycles, car, jeep, and trucks, ships, aircrafts, rockets. These are all the examples for a self-propelled vehicles, and it is also known as a automobiles. A self-propelled vehicle used for transportation of goods and passengers on the ground is called an automobile. It is different from, for example, aeronautical vehicles like planes, helicopters, rockets, marine vehicles like ships, boats, submarines are different from self-propelled vehicles. Then next, definition for an automobile. Automobile is a self-propelled vehicle generally driven by an IC engines, and it is used for transportation of goods, passengers on the ground. For example, examples like cars, bus, trucks and scooters for automobiles. Then history of an automobile. Captain Nicholas Joseph Cognat, French army, built the first self-propelled vehicle in the year 1768 to 1770. Then this is the first automobile vehicle designed by Cognat. That engine name is Cognat steam trolley, steam engine powered by in the year 1768. This is a model of first automobile. Then inventor of first gasoline engine powered by automobile in the year 1886. The inventor is Carlos Benz. Next, this is an history of an automobile. Before invention of automobiles, the peoples used elephant, horses, camel, and other things for used for transportation. In before of invention of automobiles, this is an first horse chariot for transporting goods. This is a history of Captain Nicholas Cognat's first automobile engine's design, overall view of a engine. For example, this is invented in the year 1868. This is a steam engine, this is a steam generator, this is front wheel and rear wheel. This is a steering mounted system. This vehicle is constructed in three-wheel drive. Next, in the year 1885, Benz Motor in Germany developed the first vehicle propelled with a IC engine. This is a model of a first IC engine that was developed in the year 1885 by Germany with the help of Benz Motors. In that IC engine, its specifications are vehicle's weight is 265 kilograms, maximum speed is 16 kilometers per hour. Then engine type is 4-stroke with the carburetor. Then its cooling system is based on water cooled engine. Then number of cylinders is 1. Engine volume is 954 centimeter cube. Power 0.9 horsepower at 400 revolution per minute. Design timeline is designing the vehicle and building the first operational model in the year 1885. The patent application filed for this vehicle design in the year January 29, 1886. Then first publication demonstration is July 3, 1886. Then Carl Benz receives the patent in the year November 2, 1886. This is a first IC engine model. Then in the year 1897, Mr. Forster from Crompton Greaves borrowed first motor car in India. In 1901, Jamshid G. Tata was the first Indian to own a motor car. Then classifications of automobile. What are the classifications involved in the automobile are detailed in this slide. First one, purpose. What are the purpose we are using the automobile? Based on two purpose, we are classifying the automobiles. First one is passenger carriers. Example for passenger carriers, car and buses. Second one, goods carrier. Goods carrier means for transporting goods from one place to another place with the help of trucks. Examples. Then next one, based on classifications based on fuels. What are the fuels we are used in automobiles? First one fuel used is petrol. Then second one diesel, gas, electric and steam. Steam not in currently used. Then capacity. Based on the capacity, automobile can be divided into two classifications. One is HMV, then second one is LMV. HMV means heavy motor vehicles. For heavy motor vehicles, examples are trucks and buses. For LMV, light motor vehicles, examples are tempo and jeeps. Then based on the construction of the body, first one is single unit. For single unit, we are using single unit automobiles in the field. Then second one, articulated. That articulated means two single units combined to form a articulated. For example, trailers and trucks are the example for articulated constructions. Drive based on left hand drive and right hand drive. These two systems are used in automobiles. Then number of wheels, 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler and 4-wheelers are used in automobiles. Then based on body, hatchback, sedan, convertible, station vehicles, wagons, vans, special purpose vehicles. So these are the classifications that are involved in the automobiles. Then next one, main components of the automobile. The automobile can be considered to consist of 5 basic components. What are all the components? First one, engine. Engine or power plant. It is the engine means the source of power. Then second one, frame and chassis. It supports the engine, wheels, body, braking systems, steerings, etc. etc. These are all combined to form the frame and chassis. Next one, the transmission, which transmits power from the engine to the car to the vehicles. It consists of clutch, transmission, shaft, axials and differential. The transmission units consist of clutch, transmission, shaft, axials and differential. The body and controls, fourth one. Then fifth one is accessory, including light, air conditioner, healers, stereo, wipers. These are all the extra accessories we are used in the automobiles. Then this is the overall engine view. In engines, there are two classifications.